Window installation in Pompano Beach, Florida is essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of options available, including energy-efficient windows and hurricane-impact windows, residents can choose the best fit for their needs. Window replacement Pompano Beach services offer a wide range of solutions, from vinyl windows to custom windows, ensuring that every home is equipped to withstand Florida's unique climate. For those seeking window replacement services in Pompano Beach, glass replacement and window glass replacement are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Whether it's a minor crack or a complete pane replacement, Pompano Beach glass replacement experts are equipped to handle all types of window issues. Window contractors in Pompano Beach provide comprehensive services, including window caulking and window sealing to prevent leaks and improve insulation. Energy-efficient windows in Pompano Beach are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and increase comfort. Double-pane windows and window insulation are key components in achieving this goal. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, Pompano Beach residents can enjoy a more comfortable living environment while also contributing to environmental sustainability. Custom window replacement Pompano Beach offers a personalized touch to any home, allowing homeowners to select designs and materials that match their aesthetic preferences. From sliding windows to window sash replacement, custom options provide flexibility and style. Pompano Beach window contractors specialize in creating unique window solutions that enhance both the functionality and appearance of your home. Window maintenance in Pompano Beach is vital for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular window upgrades and refurbishment can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Pompano Beach window maintenance services include window weatherproofing and window leak replacement, essential for protecting your home from the elements. Vinyl windows in Pompano Beach are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners seeking low-maintenance solutions. Known for their resilience and energy efficiency, vinyl windows are a popular choice in Florida's humid climate. Pompano Beach window installation services offer a variety of vinyl window options to suit any home style and budget. Window tinting in Pompano Beach is an excellent way to enhance privacy and reduce glare while also protecting your interiors from UV damage. Pompano Beach window tinting services provide professional installation to ensure optimal performance and longevity. By investing in window tinting, homeowners can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable living space. Window frame replacement in Pompano Beach is often necessary for older homes with deteriorating frames. Pompano Beach window contractors offer expert window frame replacement services to restore the structural integrity and appearance of your windows. Whether you need a complete frame overhaul or minor replacements, window replacement Pompano Beach professionals are equipped to handle the job. Sliding windows in Pompano Beach are a versatile and space-saving option for modern homes. Known for their ease of use and sleek design, sliding windows are ideal for maximizing natural light and ventilation.